Alright, so we're back at the C24. I'm doing the electronics because we got the batteries in and whatnot. So I'm gonna cut, solder those in, get our ESC plugged in, test out the servos, and hopefully we can get this running real quick. Be nice to get this out, let it run. I redid, I ended up just using the torsos because they just didn't fit right with the whole bodies, and they were in pieces anyway. So rather than glue them, we just put them in the way they are. Closes a little better. Got a couple different systems I want to use possibly for this, but to start with, we'll see where we go, if I'm going to keep the bed on for the first run or not. So yeah, I'll be back. Hopefully we'll have this all hooked up and rolling. So yeah, gotta turn our soldering iron on. A little hot glue and solder, and then maybe I'll figure out lights after that, but I just want to get it running first, and then I'll see about putting some of our handy dandy light sets. Where did they go? Yes, we got a bunch of extra lights and stuff in here figured out. That's the second phase. There's holes for the lights in the front and whatnot. So yeah, let the soldering iron get warm and I'll be right back. Alright, got everything soldered in and she's all set, ready to roll. Shoved all the electric in the little battery box in here. It's jammed in there with the battery and all. So I turn her on, she works. So I don't have my controller here, so I can't test it. And we're waiting on 2 tires, which should be in the mail, so we can run anytime now. I might swap the tires out of the 90, the MN90, just so I can try these out, because this takes a JST as well. So we'll test out both the orange MN45 and the C4 or C24 at the same time, testing the batteries. So hopefully we'll get these out and running. If not, then I'll just take the 90 and the 45 and we'll do 2 different batteries. So anyways, hopefully I'll have the batteries or get it running today, and we can do a quick shot outside either way as a test run before we go to the park. Hopefully you dig. Last part is to mount this girl. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Well, I couldn't wait. So let's get her out on the track for a minute. We got a wobbly tire because it's got only the screw holding it in, but that's okay. I think my reverse is forward. But it's not bad for a first run. It's on the Ergodex 1200 JST connector. Come on, you can make it. Yeah. Give it a real shot. Oh, You dig.